Okay. What, Atia, what can you say? Atia, what can you say? What can you say about the weather today? Hmm. How's the weather, Atia? Not so good? Huh? Not so good? Is the weather not so good? Is it gloomy? Huh? Is it gloomy? Is the weather gloomy? Uy? Is the weather gloomy? You can't sing? Oh. Oh, are you just gonna dance na lang? If you can't sing, you're gonna dance na lang. Okay. Okay. This is Ate Iya's show number 1. Ah, Ate Iya, this is for you. Ate Iya, I have a question. Ate Iya, Ate Iya, I have a question. Ate Iya, I have a question. I have a question. Are you drunk? Ate Iya, Ate Iya, are you drunk? Okay, you're happy. I see. You're happy. Oh, you're so happy pala. Why are you so happy? Huh? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Are you tired? Are you tired? Not. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. What? Holy? What happened? Oh. Hi, elephant. Goose, goose. Okay, where are you going? Okay, goodbye for now.